Ugh, dirty. Ew, it's all slimy. Ugh, I hate this.
As Andy continued to be a baby about his boring task, his concentration flagged. His eyes closed, his head nodded. And finally disaster struck. As he lay there dazed with blade cleaning solution stinging his eyes and fouling his mouth, he resolved to find a better way. At last, Andy had a weapon to face his foe. Andy doesn't want you to pass out while cleaning Sawblades, so files to make this blade cleaner are free on his website. Link in description.
I don't think I'm going to make this kind of video very often.